It's our second camp. We took the boys to the Netherlands in October, which was a real big learning experience. First time they'd travelled together as a group. I think they'll be better prepared this time in terms of what to expect, aware of the different environments. We'll be training at some top-class facilities. We'll have 4 games, 4 training sessions and some excursions in and around the Toronto area. They've grown as a group. I think they've matured. They understand now what's required to be a professional athlete. They currently train 6 times a week as a group and also go to school together. So they almost live with each other 24/7. And I think as time's gone on, they've grown. They've matured and they've developed. I think the main goal is to give them a completely different experience to what they get here in Aruba. I think that's key, to get them off the island into a different environment, against a different style of football, against different weather, climate, culture, facilities, but also physical capabilities of North American players compared to players in the Caribbean. Yeah, obviously these camps are a unique experience. Without the TDS, they probably wouldn't have got the chance to do that. It's a great example of how the AVB and FIFA have combined to create such good projects. And our ultimate aim is for these boys to represent Aruba, hopefully as many of them as possible, to represent Aruba at youth national team level, and then hopefully even senior level in the future. It's a long-term development plan. It'll take 6, 8, 10 years to really see the benefits, but hopefully the Aruba national team one day will be the beneficial.